Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Medtronic for diabetes management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Medtronic for diabetes management, begin by visiting the Medtronic website. Locate the diabetes section on their homepage. Choose your specific diabetes device or solution. Click on the support tab, usually found in the menu. Here, you will find various resources available for users. Select Contact Us to get in touch with Medtronic support. You can choose to reach out via phone, email, or live chat. If you prefer phone support, note the customer service number. Call the number during their business hours for assistance. For email inquiries, fill out the provided contact form with your details. Make sure to include your device information for faster service. For a live chat, click on the chat icon to connect with a representative. Prepare to discuss your specific diabetes management needs. Once connected, clearly explain your questions or concerns. The representative will guide you through the necessary steps. If required, they might schedule a follow-up call for further support. Additionally, explore the community forums available on the website. These forums can provide insight from other users' experiences. Consider checking for local events or workshops hosted by Medtronic. Engaging in these events can enhance your understanding and skills. Stay updated by subscribing to their newsletter for the latest information. Connecting with Medtronic can enhance your diabetes management experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.